One of my favorite tools that we can use on the Smartboard Smart Notebook is the ability to import photos into the notebook. So we can do that by clicking on the little gallery photo button there on the left toolbar, and then we can search for anything that we want in the search bar. So let's say that we're in a geometry class in a trig unit, and we have a question that's something like, you're standing a certain distance away from a tree, and the angle of elevation from you to the top of the tree is a certain amount of degrees. And so when we're teaching this to our students, we definitely want to depict this with pictures, and a lot of times it's going to be a lot better to use maybe pictures on a smartboard than what we're capable of drawing, because it will look a lot better and interest the students a lot more. So let's go ahead and then maybe just search for a tree. So we pull up our keyboard and we want to type tree into the search bar, then hit search. Then we can click on pictures. There's a lot of different things that we can find for that, but it looks like there's 28 different pictures of trees that we have to choose from. So I'm going to choose just this really basic looking tree. So we can just click on that and drag it out onto the main notepad. And next, let's just look for maybe a boy to be standing next to the tree. So let's search for that. Looks like we have 20 different boys to choose from. One regular looking boy, a couple of boys in whitey tidies. I think we'll just go with the normal looking boy. So we'll drag him out here. Once we have these guys out here, we're able to adjust their size, so we can just click on the pointer button here. So let's first just make this tree a little bit smaller. So click on that, drag this a little bit, and kind of move it out here maybe. Make our boy just a little bit smaller too. And put him here. Okay, and then we can use our line tool just as we did earlier. Just click on that and maybe draw a line from where the boy's standing to the top of the tree, a line from where he's standing to the bottom of the tree, and then a line to depict the height. We can even fill in our little right angle symbol here as well. So as you can see, this picture will make your word problem a lot more interesting for students. They might find it really enjoyable to come to the board and be able to move the tree around and move the boy around on the board as well. Also, this is maybe something that you can prepare your notes before class or your slides before class and have these objects already put up on the board with a written problem typed out, and you're ready to go for class and ready to do the word problems when your students are taking notes.